Hi guys, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry and today I just want to share with you a little fall inspired makeup look. So for today's look, I wanted to use some of my favorite makeup products, especially some of my all-time favorite eyeshadow palettes that have some beautiful warm orangey brown shades for the fall. So before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, just look down below and tap that subscribe button. And if you want to make sure you get notified each time I post a new video, just tap the little bell icon as well. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up and let's just jump on in and see how I got today's look. enjoyed today's video. If you did like this video, I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up by clicking that like button down below, and don't forget to click the subscribe button as well if you want to be subscribed to my channel. All of the products will be linked down below, so just look down below in the description box if you want to learn more about the products that I used. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.